What's up, YouTube? Hey, Brushfire Builds back at it. Today I'm gonna do something a little different. I've done one of these videos kind of, but nothing yet this big. We got a new sponsor. Freedom Offroad is hooking it up. You guys know, if you've watched the build series, already been rocking them. Can't see anything. It's hot out and I'm doing this at night. Let me get that flashlight going. You already know I've been rocking their older control arms. These things have been pretty stout, but it's time to get a replacement. I hit up Freedom Offroad and they said, hey, let's get going with this. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna show you guys today what we picked up. Man, these guys hooked it up big. These are way better than their old style. Check these things out. Hey, watch this launch. All right, let's check these puppies out. Got that special knife the girl made me. Try not to fall over there. Using the best of equipment, of course. Tape. Always cut towards yourself. Ooh, baby. Brushfire Builds is getting the hook up. Always got to get a decal. All right, here's the first one. Oh, am I excited. Hey, we're in the garage. No need for that. Look at that. Universal or uni ball. Woo. With a serviceable cap. Beautiful, beautiful machine. Beautiful welds. Look at them babies. No polyurethane, which thank God, because you already hear the other ones. I mean, look at these beautiful silver powder coat. My favorite part about these two, look, they're mounting. A mounting surface. Right? Very simple, very easy. Oh man. I am excited. You know we're going to do a build part on this. Oh, Freedom Offroad. Thank you. Oh man. Hey, you want to see the other one? Sure. Why wouldn't I show it to you? Let's make sure both are just as nice as the other. Ooh, there she is, just as pretty. Oh, guys, once again, we can't thank Freedom Offroad enough. Thank you so much for hooking it up. Can't wait to see where we go here in the future, and can't wait to see what I do with these things. You know, I'm going to build them up. You know, I'm going to put them on. We're going to clean it up, and then we're going to go hit the trail with them. Oh, should be able to get some pretty good flex. A little more articulation than the old series. Yeah. And you know I like articulation on that, that Sequoia, you know. Major flexing out here. Okay. So anyways, guys, hey, thanks for tuning in to Brushfire Builds. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about these beautiful Freedom Offroads. Upper control arms. These, obviously, for the 07 Sequoia, the first generation of them. Go get you a set, guys. See you in the next video.